Hi guys, it's Lanaya Squad, and I'm back again with another video. Today I want to be showing you how you make slime, stretchy, and moist. Okay, so you will be needing already made slime, and you will be needing hand sanitizer. So let's get started. Some ingredients: slime, and the hand sanitizer. So let's get started. So the slime is not sticky, it's not stretchy, it's not moist. So you use some hand sanitizer. It is not really your choice. It's not matter what kind of hand sanitizer you got. You just gotta put that on your hand. It might get a little sticky. Please do not hold this over your clothes. Please do not. Please do not hold this over your clothes because your clothes, it's not gonna wash out. It's so sticky.
What are you doing? Why you on it like that? Get up over like that. Sit on the right. Dang, you stupid.
So I'm gonna put that over place. I'm gonna put 2 holes, guys. 2. I'm gonna put the hand sanitizer in them 2 holes. Actually 4 holes, guys. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck, it's stuck, it's stuck, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck to the ground, guys. Have to wait till that dries. So then we have to pick it. Ignore the background, guys. Ignore the background. Okay, so this is how my slime looks now.